Hello everyone, my name is Justin Williams, sales consultant with Billion Auto Group here in beautiful Bozeman, Montana. I'm here today to show you just how easy it is to replace the air filter in your new Jeep Grand Cherokee. To begin, let's go ahead and get that hood popped. To release the hood on your new Jeep Grand Cherokee, the lever can be found just above the parking brake. While it may be difficult to find the release on many vehicles, on the Jeep Grand Cherokee it couldn't be easier. If you take your finger and align with the P in Jeep and reach directly under there, you'll find that release, no problem. Now folks, changing your air filter is the fastest and cheapest way to increase your vehicle's performance, reduce air contamination, and help mitigate the risk of a potential ventilation fire happening to you and your loved ones while you're on the road. With fuel economy savings far outweighing the cost of an air filter, there's really no reason why you shouldn't change your air filter today, especially if it looks like this. Now let's get to showing you how easy it is to do this maintenance piece at home in your own garage. Okay, now that we're under the hood, let me show you the step-by-step on getting that old air filter out and the new air filter in. The air filter will be found underneath this plastic housing just above the fender. You'll find two fasteners facing you from this angle, and if you put your palms on the frame, it's super easy to pull those fasteners down and release that top of the air filter housing. Now, while pulling toward ourselves and lifting upward, you'll find that housing comes right up and gives you just enough room to get that old air filter out. I have my new filter staged right here, and we're going to put that in just like the old one came out, ensuring that that black gasket is facing upward. Now, we just reverse the process. I'm going to make sure that these brackets get placed in the back here on that hinge, and with a little downward pressure, we'll go ahead and lock that first fastener. Now I find with this second fastener, if you turn your left hand and palm face the air filter housing, it's a little easier to reach that fastener for people with bigger hands. And that's how easy it is to change the air filter in your new Jeep Grand Cherokee. If you encounter any further questions about replacing the air filter in your new Jeep Grand Cherokee, or maybe you think it's just time to get your vehicle in for a service appointment, don't hesitate to give us a call here at Billion Auto Group, or better yet, why don't you just stop on by and say hi. Thank you so much for spending time with me today, and I hope to hear from you soon.